When it comes to the chaotic world of option trading, most beginners either lose money fast or get overwhelmed by complex strategies. But what if I told you there's a simple, low-risk method that experienced traders use to build consistent profits? In this video, I'll walk you through the single most effective option trading strategy that you can start using today, even if you've never placed an options trade before. It's called the cash-secured put jiaon covered call combo, a smart approach that lets you generate passive income while reducing risk and keeping control of your capital. Here's how it works. First, you sell a put option on a stock you wouldn't mind owning. This gives you premium income upfront and a potential discount entry if the stock dips. If assigned, you then hold the stock and turn around to sell covered calls on it, creating another stream of premium income. This creates a cycle of cash flow that doesn't depend on huge price movements or guessing market direction. And the beauty of this strategy, you get paid whether the stock moves up, down, or sideways as long as you stay disciplined and understand your risk levels. Most traders chase quick profits with risky plays like naked calls or buying deep OTM options, but this strategy flips the odds in your favor. It's a strategy based on probability, not gambling, and it leverages time decay theta to work for you instead of against you. Emotionally, it helps you stay calm because you're not relying on moonshots. And psychologically, it builds confidence because every trade has logic, math, and risk control behind it. Think about it. Would you rather gamble your capital or get paid weekly just for being patient? This is how smart traders play the long game quietly, compounding returns while others panic. If you're tired of blowing up small accounts or just looking for a stable entry into options, this strategy is your safest bet. Curiosity piqued? Then stick around to see a live example with real numbers, plus how to find the right stocks and option chains to apply this strategy starting today. Like this video if you're ready to trade with confidence, comment your experience with options, and subscribe because we're just getting started with smart, high-probability trading tactics designed for real PO not Wall Street elites.